Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are using Google Sites to build your website and you want to track your website visitors, run ads, and mm, measure conversions, then adding the Facebook pixel is a must. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. Before we jump in, let's firefly talk about what Facebook pixel is. The Facebook pixel is a piece of code that you add to your website your to track conversions, retarget visitors, and measure the performance for your Facebook ads. It helps you understand user behavior on your website and gives your valuable data for optimizing your campaigns. To get started, you need to create a Facebook pixel. First of all, go to your Facebook, Ads Manager. On the left hand sidebar, click on Managers. Then under the Data Sources section, click Pixel. Now click on the Add button to create a new pixel. You will be prompted to name your pixel and enter your website URL. After you create your pixel, Facebook will provide you with a unique pixel ID. Keep this page open because you will need to this code shortly. Now let's head over to Google Sites. If you haven't already created a site, go ahead or create one. Once you are logged into your Google Sites and your website is ready, open the site where you want to add the Facebook pixel. To add the Facebook pixel to your Google site, we're going to use the embed option. In Google Sites Editor, click on the embed button in the right hand side under Insert tab. Here you can add both URLs or embed HTML. Then click select embed code and paste. Now we're going to paste the Facebook pixel code. Go back to the pixel setup page you left open earlier and click on install pixel. Facebook will give you a snippet of code with your pixel ID. Copy the entire code snippet provided by Facebook, then return to your Google Sites and paste it into the embed code fields. Click on Inserts or Next button. You will see the pixel code now embedded on your site. Follow the on-screen instructions. You will won't see any visible changes on the home page, but the pixel is now active in the background, tracking visitors. To make sure everything is working correctly, you can use the Facebook Pixel Helper Chrome extension. This tool will help you check if the pixel is firing properly on your site. Once you have installed the extension, open your Google site, refresh the page. You should see the Facebook Pixel Helper icon in your browser toolbar like there. If everything is set up correctly, the icon will turn blue, indicating that the pixel is active. And that's it. You have successfully added Facebook Pixel to your Google site. Now you can track conversions, optimize ads, and retarget your visitors with ease. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.